What if I told you that one tiny bird could teach us the most profound lesson about life? A lesson in resilience, patience, and staying true to your purpose no matter the odds. This is the story of a man, his garden, and a bird who refused to give up. There was once a man who took immense pride in his beautiful garden. It was his sanctuary, a place of peace and perfection. Every plant, every flower, every tree was nurtured with love, and he guarded it zealously, allowing nothing to disrupt its harmony. One day, as he admired his masterpiece, he noticed a small bird diligently gathering twigs and building a nest on one of his beloved trees. This was unacceptable to him. His garden was his space, his escape. He couldn't let anything disturb its order. So, without hesitation, he destroyed the bird's fragile nest. The bird flew away, but the man thought little of it. But the very next day, the man saw the bird again. It was back, determinedly bringing more twigs and weaving another nest. Annoyed by the bird's persistence, he destroyed the nest once more. Days turned into a battle of wills. Each time the bird rebuilt, the man tore it down. Yet, no matter how many times the nest was destroyed, the bird came back, tirelessly starting over. One day, the man had to leave the town. The bird seized the opportunity and worked tirelessly, crafting her nest high up in the tree. By the time the man returned, the nest was complete. As he prepared to destroy it again, something stopped him. Inside the nest, he saw tiny, fragile eggs nestled gently among the twigs. The sight touched him deeply. In that moment, he turned to the bird and asked, "Why didn't you give up? I broke your nest so many times, yet you kept building it. Why?" The bird, perched proudly near her nest, seemed to answer with a voice that resonated not just in garden but in the man's soul. "You did what you believed was right for you. I did what I believed was right for me. That's the way life is. I cannot control what you do, but I can control how I respond." The man stood in silence. That tiny bird had taught him a lesson for life. The world may test us. People may try to tear down what we build. But our purpose, our passion must remain unwavering. And isn't that what life is all about? Staying committed to what you believe in, no matter how many times the world pushes you down. This bird didn't just build a nest. She built hope, resilience, and a lesson for all of us. So, what's your nest? What's that one thing you are passionate about that the world keeps challenging? Let this story remind you to rebuild, to persevere, and to never give up. Because sometimes it's not the success that matters, it's the courage to try again. Like, share, and comment if the story inspired you. Let's spread the message of perseverance.